Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix brand awareness at Coca-Cola, full guide step by step clearly. Identify current brand awareness levels for Coca-Cola through market research and consumer surveys. Analyze data to understand target demographics and their perceptions of the brand. Assess competitors' brand awareness strategies to find gaps and opportunities for improvement. Engage with internal stakeholders to gather insights on brand positioning and messaging. Develop a clear brand strategy that aligns with Coca-Cola's core values and mission. Create a unique brand message that resonates with consumers and differentiates Coca-Cola from competitors. Utilize social media platforms to enhance brand visibility and engage directly with audiences. Implement influencer marketing campaigns to reach wider audiences and build credibility. Launch targeted advertising campaigns focusing on emotional storytelling that connects with consumers. Create community-driven events or sponsorships that encourage local engagement with the Coca-Cola brand. Measure campaign effectiveness through analytics and adjust strategies based on consumer feedback. Continuously monitor brand awareness through regular surveys and market analysis. Foster a culture of brand advocacy within the organization to reinforce commitment to brand values. Establish partnerships with like-minded brands to expand reach and relevance. Utilize digital marketing techniques such as SEO and content marketing to improve online presence. Revise brand collateral and packaging to ensure consistency across all consumer touchpoints. Stay adaptable to changing market trends and consumer preferences to maintain brand relevance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.